So guys, the first step is to clean the face, and I'll be doing this using my Micellar gentle cleansing water. So this micellar water is mild and suitable for all skin types, effectively removing makeup, dirt, dust and oil without harsh chemicals. So yeah, another amazing thing about this is it doesn't need to be rinsed off, so it makes it even more convenient and more suiting for the skin. So yeah, and something else it does is it hydrates the face. It's also multifunctional. It's also sensitive skin friendly due to its gentle nature. It's also suitable for individuals with sensitive skin. So I'm just drying that out using my hand fan. The next product I'm going in with is a toner. So I'm using this simple toner. The name of the brand is Simple. So I'm using this with a cotton pad all over my face. Toners offer several benefits for the skin, including balancing of pH. Yeah, it helps restore the skin's natural pH level, promoting a balance and contain hydrating ingredients, providing an extra layer of moisture to the skin. It also prepares the skin for products that if you be applying other products. So I'm just drying that out with my hand fan again. So the third product I'm going in with is vitamin C serum. So I'm just applying a few drops to my face, under my eye, and I'm using my finger to evenly spread it out to my face. And don't forget your ears, guys, your ears, underneath your chin, and yeah. So the next product I'm going in with is moisturizer. So I'm using this Blossom Essence moisturizer, and I just applied a little quantity to the back of my palms, and I went ahead to apply it to my face. So I'm using my finger to spread it out. Facial moisturizers are very essential. They help maintain and restore the skin's natural moisture. Yeah, it also prevents flakiness and dryness. It creates a barrier on the skin surface and helps shield the face from environmental pollutants like dust and smoke and the rest, and also irritants. So yeah, I'm going in next with this Vaseline lip moisturizer, and I just use my thumb to apply a little on my lower lip, and then I smudged it together. So yeah, that's it. When choosing products for your skincare, always remember to go with products that suit your skin type for optimal benefits. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Please, if you enjoy watching videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Also drop a comment if you have questions concerning this, and also I'll be leaving the link to my morning skincare routine. You may want to check that out as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.